In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your TradingView account. If you've decided you no longer need your TradingView profile, or you're simply cleaning up old accounts, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take. Follow along on your own screen as I describe each action, and pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account in your web browser. From the main TradingView interface, look toward the upper left area of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your avatar, your initials, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open a small menu. When that menu appears, look for the option that mentions Settings and Billing. The wording may be something like Settings and Billing or Profile Settings, depending on any interface updates, but it will clearly relate to your account configuration and payments. Click on that option, and TradingView will take you to a more detailed settings page. On this settings page, several tabs or sections will be visible, usually along the left side or across the top. Find and click on the section labeled Account Settings. This is different from public profile or chart settings. Account settings specifically controls your login, subscription, and account level details. Once you're there, scroll through the page until you see the option that allows you to delete your account. You should now see a button or link that says Delete Account. This is the control that begins the deletion process. Before you click it, remember that deleting your account is usually permanent. You may lose access to your saved charts, layouts, published ideas, and any other data tied to the account. If there's anything important you want to keep, now is a good time to export or save it separately. When you're sure you're ready, click on Delete Account. After that, a confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete your account. This is TradingView's way of preventing accidental deletions. Review the warning message carefully so you understand the consequences. If you still want to proceed, click the Delete button in the confirmation dialog. Once you confirm, TradingView will process the request and your account will be deleted according to their policies. That's all you need to do to delete your TradingView account.